Eliminate all poisons from your body in 48 hours. A weekend detoxification diet plan. Have you ever had that feeling of being tired and weak all the time? Yes, do you feel tired all of the time? And not just tired, but exhausted? Have you noticed that your skin is also dry and the under eye bags are impossible to cover? So, have you ever wondered what that might be? We can answer that question for you. And it's very simple. You just have to take a look at the video below and find out more about this. Well, you should definitely read the article below and find out more about this. Ladies and gentlemen, these are all symptoms that your body is full with toxins and other harmful substances. This kind of body condition makes you a perfect target for different viruses and cold. And this means one thing: your body hungers for detoxification. First of all, you should know that there is no perfect time for detoxification. Yes, any time is good if you wish to cleanse your organism and give back its energy. And, to be honest with you, it's very simple. You just have to pick 2 days and prepare the menu that will cleanse your body from all toxins and other harmful substances. The entire body detoxification is made by including the 5 most important organs: kidney, liver, intestines, lungs and the lymph. And before you start with this detox process, you should know that it has some requirements. For example, you should eat low-fat food, meat, potatoes and sweets. And the most important thing is you need to drink as much liquids as you can. You will get the best results from this detoxification program if you do it twice a year for 10 days. But if you don't have that much time, you can do this program couple of times a year for 2 days. The results will also be excellent. You'll get the wanted effects if you use nettles, birch tea and dandelion. And you should also do some physical activities, for example, swimming, walking, or you should go to the gym. According to the experts, this cleanse is well worth doing at least twice a year. While you can follow it for up to 10 days, you can also simply do it over the weekend. And when you are finished, you will feel like a new you, getting started. Here's what you need to know. Well, the best thing about this cleanse is that it doesn't have to feel like you are depriving yourself of anything. But remember, if you want to make the most of this weekend detox cleanse, you must add detoxifying teas, which help to pull toxins from your body. Your weekend detox cleanse. So, how should we start? Well, first of all, you need to drink 250 milliliters 4 ounces of warm water every morning on an empty stomach throughout the 48-hour cleanse. Why? Well, because this technique kickstarts digestion and triggers the detoxification process. And remember, it's very important for you to keep your stress levels low, get plenty of sleep, exercise, and check the level on the processed foods in the diet, including yogurt, pickles, almond milk, and seeds. Although they may seem innocent enough, these foods can contain food coloring, preservatives, and flavoring agents. If possible, purchase all organic produce for best results. Saturday. Breakfast: 8 ounces of warm water, 1 cup of oatmeal with a tablespoon of linseeds, 8 ounces of green tea, 1/2 cup blueberries, 200 milliliters 6.7 ounces plain yogurt or 200 milliliters 6.7 ounces unsweetened almond milk. Lunch: 8 ounces filtered water, 2 cups of salad tomato, arugula, or other greens with a simple olive oil and lemon juice dressing. 250 grams grilled hake or other mild fish, 250 grams Swiss chard with olive oil and potatoes, 1 small banana, 1 sliced melon. Snack: 8 ounces filtered water, 1 apple, 180 milliliters 6 ounces plain yogurt, 1/4 cup pumpkin seeds, raw or roasted. Dinner: 8 ounces filtered water, 2 cups salad with lemon juice and olive oil dressing, 150 grams of tuna grilled in a foil or barbecued, 1/2 cup steamed green vegetables, spinach or broccoli. Anise tea. A small slice of sourdough bread. Sunday. Note: start your morning with 8 ounces warm water, Breakfast: 200 milliliters unsweetened almond milk or plain yogurt. 1 cup of oatmeal with a tablespoon of linseeds. 1 medium-sized pear. 1 cup green tea. 8 ounces filtered water. Snack: 1 medium-sized grapefruit. 8 ounces filtered water. Lunch: vegetable soup, beans, potatoes, carrots, onions, celery and peppers made with bone broth. 200 grams grilled chicken breast. 150 grams dill pickles. 8 ounces filtered water. Dinner: beet and carrot salad with lemon juice dressing. A small slice of sourdough bread. 8 ounces filtered water. 1 cup of nettle tea. 10 everyday detox teas. 1. Red clover. The red clover is loaded with antioxidants, which means that it will help you pull the toxins from your blood and liver. It is also a wonderful expectorant that helps to clear your lungs of toxins and phlegm. Red clover contains high amounts of vitamin C and B vitamins. They will provide the extra nutrition you need when cleansing. 2. Birch. Have you ever heard or tried birch water? Well, you should know that birch water is a natural diuretic that stimulates the cleansing systems of your body to eliminate toxins. The experts claim that the health benefits from drinking birch water are many, and they range from flushing out toxins in your liver and kidneys to eliminating cellulite and even curing bronchitis and arthritis. And yes, you should also know that this amazing plant contains micronutrients that are unique to the birch tree, which studies show also help to strengthen your immune system, lower cholesterol and promote weight loss. 3. Nettle. Stinging nettle tea is awesome. It's loaded with healthy nutrients, and it can provide many health benefits. Stinging nettle has numerous tiny hairs on its leaves and stem that contain compounds which burn when you touch it and cause a reaction similar to poison ivy. Nettle is native to Africa, Australia, and the Andes, and it has many health benefits that result from its antioxidant, antimicrobial, anti-ulcer, astringent and analgesic properties. Nettle is also a powerful detoxifier, as it promotes the elimination of waste products by increasing urine production. 4. Burdock root. Did you know that this amazing plant has been used in traditional medicine as a blood purifier for centuries? Well, yes, and you should also know that this plant is a powerful diuretic, increasing urination and thus helping to remove wastes. It is also a diaphoretic, meaning it promotes sweating to remove toxins through the pores in your skin. 5. Milk thistle. You've probably heard about this one, right? Milk thistle are also known by the name silymarin. Milk thistle is a potent herb, and it's one of the most powerful liver detoxifiers known. This amazing herb can even stimulate liver regeneration in severe cases like those found with drug or alcohol addiction. Milk thistle is so powerful, in fact, that studies show if used intravenously, it can even be an antidote for even the most severe liver poisoning caused by the death cap mushroom. 6. Dandelion. Dandelion. First of all, you should know that this plant is much more than a weed. Yes, and you'll be amazed when we tell you that you can use this plant to treat muscle aches, loss of appetite, upset stomachs, intestinal gas, gallstones, joint pain, eczema and even bruises. And when it comes to detoxifying, this amazing plant promotes urine production to release toxins. Dandelion is also a laxative, which further helps your body remove toxins in bowel movements. Apart from providing a slew of beneficial nutrients, dandelion also helps your digestive system by regulating bile flow. 7. Cayenne pepper. First of all, you should know that cayenne pepper is not just a seasoning to add a little heat to your culinary dishes. Yes, and you'll be shocked when we tell you that cayenne pepper has been used for centuries to treat and prevent many different health problems, such as heartburn, delirium, tremors, gout, paralysis, fever, flatulence, sore throat, atonic dyspepsia, hemorrhoids, menorrhagia in women, nausea, tonsillitis, scarlet fever and diphtheria. And, when it comes to detoxing, cayenne works as a circulatory stimulant that increases lymphatic and digestive processes by heating your body. This causes you to sweat, an important process in detoxification. Note: cayenne is used in combination with lemon juice and honey for a powerful detox drink first thing in the morning. 8. Cilantro. Unfortunately, our organism is loaded with heavy metals such as mercury, cadmium, and aluminum. These metals, and others, embed themselves in your central nervous system and bones, where they accumulate for years until you start to have acute health problems. But you shouldn't be worried, because you can use herbs like cilantro, which is a potent chelating agent that binds to heavy metal ions in your body that are then removed through regular excretory channels through as urination, defecation, and sweat. 9. Fenugreek. Fenugreek is awesome, and it has powerful medicinal properties. Note: many parts of this flowering plant are used for therapeutic purposes, but the seeds are the most widely used in remedies for everything from general inflammation, internal and external digestive disorders, as well as respiratory illnesses like bronchitis, infections, tuberculosis, and chronic coughs. It is also helpful for lowering cholesterol, treating and preventing cancer, and for kidney disorders. And one last thing, you should know that this plant is very helpful for diabetes, as it can not only significantly reduce blood sugar levels, but also urinary sugar levels, by as much as 54%. 10. Chicory. Does the name chicory ring any bell? Well, first of all, you can recognize chicory by its vibrant blue flowers. The ancient Romans used chicory to help cleanse their blood, while the Egyptians ate vast amounts of chicory root to purify their liver. But when it comes to cleansing the body from all harmful toxins, both chicory leaves and the root are potent remedies for a number of liver disorders, including jaundice, gallbladder, and liver stones, urinary stones, constipation, indigestion, depression, and headaches. Ladies and gentlemen, it's very important for you to remember this. Exercising will help your lymphatic system to drain toxins. Any type of physical activity that keeps you active will do, including walking, swimming, running, or going to the gym. Thank you for your time, and don't hesitate to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you and have a good one. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.